Lightweight plus means that the hollow design is further optimized based on common wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can reduce weight, reduce energy consumption, improve control performance, and keep a balance between high performance and environmental protection while ensuring safety. Compared with the previous product before the upgrade, the weight is reduced by about 30% on average, and the lightweight effect is more direct. BONOSS Forged Lightweight Plus wheel spacers are manufactured using aluminum alloy 6061-T6 and 7075-T6. Compared with cast wheel spacers, the same structure can be achieved with fewer materials. They have the multi-stage hub-centric design. This design allows the spacers to more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. The learning design can expand the side heat dissipation contact area so that it can contact more than external cold air, enhance the heat dissipation effect, and reduce the internal strain. Designed with disassembly grooves, easier to remove and install, improve work efficiency. Each BONOSS product is engraved with the BONOSS of B, which means that these wheel spacers and wheel bolts are manufactured by BONOSS factory. Quality is guaranteed, customer insists are protected, and BONOSS assumes quality responsibility. BONOSS has an independent OEM factory, so customized wheel spacers can be complete 1 to 3 days at the farthest. Besides, BONOSS provides ODM too. If you need a special technique of both pattern conversion to install the wheels with different data, the BONOSS custom spacer is your best choice. BONOSS provides customized service of special techniques, 3mm to 160mm. The surface is straight with black hot anodized to prevent corrosion. BONOSS Complete obtained more than 66 SGS and TV test reports. BONOSS Forged Grade 10.9 extending wheel bolts. Compared with other wheel bolt manufacturing process, the forging process has many advantages. The main advantages include high tensile strength, strong techniques, better wear resistance, and higher fatigue strength. Its sole is in the shape of 12 petal hands.